Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you all guys are doing well. In this video we are going to talk about Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023. We will tell you about the interior, exterior, performance, top speed. Is it worth to buy Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023? Before going to detail, if you are new to our channel, please make sure to hit like and subscribe button, and also don't forget to press bell icon for latest updates. Let's jump into the video without wasting your time. Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023 is a latest model car. Lexus was named the best overall luxury brand. Lexus vehicles are dependable, comfortable, and drive smoother than others in the market. Lexus cars are environmentally friendly, fuel efficient, and maintain their resale value. It is an SUV car. It is made in Lexus Motor Japan. Available in following colors. It will be available in cadmium orange, caviar, cloudburst gray, eminent white pearl, Grecian water, iridium, nori green pearl, obsidian, and redline. Engine type, 2.0 liters inline-4 hybrid engine. Engine power, 181 horsepower at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Torque, 152 Nm at 4,400 revolutions per minute. Transmission type, continuously variable automatic, CVT. Fuel type, gasoline. Drive type, front-wheel drive. Performance. Acceleration, 0 to 60 in 8.6 seconds. Fuel economy, 41 mpg. Maximum speed, 110 miles per hour. Mileage in city, 41 miles per gallon. Mileage on highway, 38 miles per gallon. Fuel capacity, 10.6 gallons. Here we are discussing the features of Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023. Air conditioner, heater, anti-lock braking system, central locking, power steering, power windows, touchscreen, radio, audio system remote control, speakers front and back, Bluetooth connectivity, USB and auxiliary input. Expected price. Price in United States. Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023 price is $37,230 United States of America. Price in Finland. Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023 price is Euro 37,230 in Finland. On this channel you can find the best and most updated price of Lexus UX 250 Hours Premium 2023 with detailed specifications and features. Thank you so much for watching the complete video.